Outdoor floodlights are essential for illuminating your home's exterior, but when they start malfunctioning, it's frustrating. In today's video, we'll cover the common issues with outdoor floodlights and how to fix them quickly. Floodlight not turning on. A floodlight that won't turn on is a common issue, and it could be due to several factors like burnout bulbs, faulty wiring, or problems with the motion sensor. Start with the basics. Check if the bulb needs replacing. It's often the simplest fix. If the bulb is intact, move on to the power supply. Check the circuit breaker to ensure power is reaching the light. For motion sensor lights, verify the sensor settings or consider replacing it if faulty. In most cases, fixing a non-working floodlight is as easy as replacing a bulb or adjusting a setting, which you can do in no time. Dimming or reduced brightness. If your floodlight is dimming or doesn't shine as bright as it should, the issue may lie with the bulb, poor ventilation, or inconsistent power supply. Begin by ensuring the fixture has adequate ventilation. Overheating can lead to reduced brightness, especially with LED lights. If the bulb is old, it might be nearing the end of its life, so swapping it out for a new, energy-efficient LED can restore brightness. If dimming persists, check your power source. An unstable connection can cause fluctuations in brightness. The solution here is typically to address ventilation or replace the bulb, which will keep your floodlight shining brightly. Water damage and corrosion. Outdoor floodlights are constantly exposed to weather, which can lead to water damage and corrosion if not properly sealed. First, inspect the seals and gaskets around the light. Cracks or wear can allow moisture to enter and cause rust or electrical damage. If you notice any damage, replace the seals to ensure proper protection. Make sure your lights are weatherproof and made of durable materials like aluminum or polycarbonate to stand up to the elements. Regular cleaning is essential to prevent moisture buildup. If corrosion or water damage has already occurred, replacing the fixture may be necessary, but with proper maintenance, you can keep your floodlight functional and extend its lifespan. Overheating. Overheating is a major issue with floodlights, leading to premature failure or malfunction. This is often caused by poor ventilation or using bulbs that can't handle the heat. Ensure your floodlight fixture is installed in a well-ventilated area to allow heat to dissipate. If you're using LED bulbs, double-check that they're rated for high temperatures. Standard bulbs may overheat and fail more quickly. Avoid installing lights in areas with high humidity unless they're designed for those conditions. Overheating is usually a sign that your fixture needs better airflow or isn't suited to the environment, so making sure your lights are installed properly can prevent this problem from happening. Power supply issues. If your floodlight is completely unresponsive, the issue may lie with the power supply. This can be caused by faulty wiring or an inconsistent power source. Start by checking the circuit breaker. If it's tripped, reset it to restore power. Next, inspect the wiring for any loose connections or visible damage. Ensure that all wires are properly secured, and make sure there are no exposed wires that could lead to a short circuit. If you find any serious wiring issues, it's time to call in a professional electrician to handle the repair. Power supply problems can be complex, but by isolating the issue, you'll be able to determine whether it's a simple fix or requires professional help. Short lifespan. If your floodlight burns out too quickly, it could be due to low-quality bulbs or improper installation. Opt for high-quality, long-lasting LED bulbs, which are designed to outlast traditional bulbs. Ensure your floodlights are installed correctly, as improper placement can lead to wear and tear over time. If you live in an area with extreme weather, choose lights rated for such conditions to ensure they withstand the elements. Investing in quality lighting and proper installation will save you time and money by extending the lifespan of your floodlights. Though outdoor floodlights face common issues, most of them are easy to fix with a little know-how. Keep up with maintenance, and your lights will continue to brighten and secure your home.